President of India? I repeat, who is the President of India? Yes. Can you tell us the answer?
Draupadi Murmu.
Yes, that's right. The Honorable President of India is Srimati Draupadi Murmu. Alright, thank you friend. Now on to the second question. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Yes. Can you tell us the answer please?
Shri Narendra Modi.
Yes, that's lovely. The Honorable Prime Minister of India is Shri Narendra Modi ji. Now, with this, let's enhance the energy with the third question. Who is the Chief Minister of Telangana? I'll be coming to the 7th standard. Anyone who knows the answer? Yes, that's right. The Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana is Shri Kalvakundla Chandrasekhar Rao. Let's have a round of applause for our friends. Are you all excited for the rest of the questions?
Yes.
Okay, with that, let's go on to the fourth question. Who is the Governor of India?
The governor
of Telangana, sorry.
The governor of Telangana.
Alright, can you please answer us?
Yes,
That's correct. The Honorable Governor of Telangana is Srimati Tamilisai Soundararajan. Let's have a round of applause, friends. Now on to the last question of our session. What is the state game of Telangana? Can you please answer us? Hockey. No, that's wrong. Yes, it's coming. Kabaddi. Yes, that's right. Let's have a round of applause for our friends. The state game of Telangana